Coles is one of Australia's largest and most recognized supermarket chains, serving millions of customers each week through its extensive network of stores and digital platforms. Full-service grocery stores offering fresh produce, meat, bakery items, and household essentials. Provides home delivery and click-collect services, with online sales comprising over 11% of total supermarket revenue as of early 2025. Kohl's launched a 12-week down campaign, reducing prices by an average of 19% on 307 grocery items, and offered 10x Flybuys points on over 800 products to enhance customer loyalty. Kohl's Bakery offers a diverse selection of freshly baked goods, catering to various tastes and dietary preferences. Donuts, iced, cinnamon, and cream-filled varieties. Muffins, cupcakes, including chocolate chip and vanilla options. Slices cakes, carrot cake, banana bread, gluten-free breads, suitable for those with gluten sensitivities. Vegan treats, including certain breads and pastries. Low GI breads, for those monitoring their glycemic intake. Kohl's provides a wide range of breads and rolls, including classic loaves, white, wholemeal, multigrain, and high-fiber options. Artisan breads, stone-baked varieties like pain de casa and sourdough, rolls buns, hamburger rolls, hot dog buns, and specialty rolls. Convenient salad kits and pre-washed greens. Weekly specials. Kohl's regularly offers specials on various fruits and vegetables. Some current deals include Kohl's Pink Lady Apples, $3.90 per kilogram. Kohl's Strawberries, $4 per 250 g. Kohl's Seedless Watermelon, $2.50 per kilogram. Kohl's Baby Carrots, $1 per 500 g. cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage, mushrooms, button, cup, and sliced varieties, tropical fruits, bananas, pineapples, and mangoes. Kohl's offers a diverse selection of dried fruits and chocolates, catering to various tastes and preferences. These are perfect for snacking, baking, or adding to cereals and salads. Selection of chocolates and lollies, catering to various tastes and preferences. Cadbury Dairy Milk, Marvelous Creations, Jelly Popping Candy, Maltesers Milk Chocolate Party Share Bag, Kohl's Choc-Coated Vanilla Flavored Sticks, Cadbury Clinkers 160G, Crunchy Candy Centers coated in milk chocolate, currently priced at $3.50. Snickers Chocolate Bar, a classic combination of peanuts, caramel, and nougat covered in milk chocolate, on special for $1. Ferrero Collection Rocher Raffaello Ron Chocolate Gift, an elegant assortment of Ferrero chocolates, ideal for gifting, priced at $22.40. Crinkle cuts to gourmet flavors and frozen options. Kohl's Original Crinkle Cut Potato Chips, Smith's Original Crinkle Cut Potato Chips, Red Rock Deli Potato Chips, Sweet Chili Sour Cream, Kettle Original Sea Salt Chips. drinks to nutritious juices and energizing beverages. Soft drink sodas, juices, fruit drinks, flavored functional drinks, and energy drinks. Kohl's offers a diverse selection of beauty products across skincare, makeup, hair care, and grooming essentials. Whether you're shopping online or in-store, you'll find both everyday essentials and trending items. You can explore the full range of health and beauty products on the Kohl's Health Beauty page, including cosmetics and skincare categories. Kohl's also offers convenient options for home delivery or in-store pickup. Kohl's offers a comprehensive range of baby products to cater to your little one's needs. From essentials like nappies and formula to skincare and feeding accessories. You can shop both online and in-store. Explore their full selection on the Kohl's Baby product page.